Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. And you got to laugh. Wes Streeting, the man who keeps trying to push the blame for strikes onto the doctors rather than onto himself, is being really quite ridiculed. Generally, people say that the fault of all of this is laying at Wes Streeting's door. He's the moron that came in a year ago, handed over a huge pay rise, asked for nothing in return, and then when they've come back for more, has gone, no. Well, you can't. You can't whet people's appetites for big pay rises and then tell them no, Wes. If you weren't such a dick a year ago, this wouldn't be happening. And so, yes, everybody's right. It is Wes's fault. Now, on top of that, of course, there's further confusion over the unemployment rights bill that Angela Rayner is trying to push in. The rights of the unions, the strengthening of the unions, is actually going to make things like doctor strikes, nurses strikes, the ancillary staff strikes, and so forth more likely, further endangering people in hospital, their lives, and people not in hospital, people on waiting lists, especially cancer patients. It's as though this Labour government is doing its utmost best to kill people. You've got a moron in the form of Wes Streeting who doesn't understand the first thing about medical care or health care or anything. And then you've got God help us Angela, who's sitting there saying, oh no, the unions need more power. Whoa, more about the unions. I want to go on strike. Even though, it's just going to harm everyone, damage the economy. Not that there will be. I mean, that's the irony, isn't it? The only people left working in about 3-4 years' time will be health workers and the people who work in supermarkets. Everyone else will have lost their jobs. That's as bad as it gets. Anyway, thanks very much. Well done to all those people for voting Labour. Let's hope your chickens do come home to roost. It's unfortunate for the rest of us, though, who were intelligent enough to say, are you absolutely crazy? Voting Labour? I'd rather cut my arm off. Hey-ho. Bye.